What's the comment on Kenyans on TikTok planning to have a modern hospital?
Yeah, well, I'll just say that it's an interesting idea. I mean, hospitals in this country have been created by Kenyans through Sadaka. That's why you have faith and mission hospitals. You have about 100 hospitals created by Kenyans just by giving Sadaka and building hospitals. I mean, President William Ruto is currently building 70 hospitals being built by KDF. So, I mean, if TikTok can organize itself and do another modern hospital, brilliant. Hospitals, such initiatives are welcome, and that's a very brilliant idea.
A notable grassroots movement is underway in Kenya where TikTok users, especially the youths from Generation Z, have united to crowdfund what they call the TikTok Community Hospital. This initiative is remarkable because it is leveraging social media to rally resources for building a multi-billion shillings ultra-modern hospital that will provide free or low-cost healthcare services to the public. The movement emerged in the late September 2025, spurred by viral TikTok videos sharing personal stories of hardship faced due to Kenya's existing healthcare challenges, including high medical costs, medicine shortages, and prolonged doctor strikes. These stories have resonated widely, sparking a digital campaign under hashtags like TikTok Community Hospital and Gen Z Hospital, gaining millions of views and support both locally and internationally. The hospital is envisioned to be a solar-powered facility with cutting-edge technology staffed by top medical professionals and poised to fill critical gaps in healthcare access, especially for vulnerable populations. This initiative reflects a broader context of changes and challenges in Kenya's health sector. President William Ruto recently launched a government program under the Social Health Authority aimed at providing free healthcare coverage for at least 2.2 million vulnerable Kenyans, funded by the government and aligned with constitutional rights to healthcare. This program covers services like outpatient and inpatient care, maternity, mental health, and dental services across thousands of facilities nationwide. However, public frustrations persist due to issues such as low insurance enrollment, high treatment costs beyond basic levels, and ongoing doctor strikes due to poor pay and conditions. The TikTok crowdfunding movement seems to have emerged partly as a response to perceived gaps in government healthcare initiatives. The crowd-funded TikTok hospital campaign has also caught the attention of prominent public figures and sparked national debate.
Hospitals in this country have been created by Kenyans through Sadaka. That's why you have faith and mission hospitals. You have about 100 hospitals created by Kenyans just by giving Sadaka and building hospitals. I mean, President William Ruto is currently building 70 hospitals being built by KDF. So, I mean, if TikTok can organize itself and do another modern hospital, brilliant. Hospitals, such initiatives are welcome, and that's a very brilliant idea.
Supporters argue this aligns well with Kenya's rich tradition of community, solidarity, and philanthropy, while critics urge the need for proper organization and crowdfunding transparency. The campaign remains informal but active across platforms like TikTok, X, and Instagram, where users share AI-generated concept images, fundraising ideas, and call the wide participation from Kenya's 10 million TikTok users and beyond. Tell us what you think. Do you think it's a good idea? Let's meet at the comment section.